Welcome, everyone. Today, we will discuss an essential aspect of human resource management job descriptions. Specifically, we'll focus on crafting a job description for a nursing leadership role. As we all know, compelling job descriptions are crucial in attracting and retaining top talent, setting clear expectation, and ensuring that employees understand their role and responsibilities. This presentation will explore the importance of creating a job description for a nursing leadership role. We'll discuss the different approaches to writing job descriptions, how to incorporate relevant course concepts and theories, and what questions to ask during interview. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a solid understanding of how to write a practical job description and be able to apply this knowledge to your own HRM practices. What is a job description? It is a standardized overview of a job analysis. While they are typically brief, they must always encompass the essential components according to Brutus and Baronian. Job description, although known for their brevity, job descriptions are nonetheless expected to encompass the following vital components. A job description consists of the following. First is date, the date for which the information is being recorded. Job title, the specific title of the jobs being described. National Occupation Classification Code. The official code classifies the occupation. Job functions. The detailed tasks and responsibilities the employee must perform. Knowledge, skills, abilities. The employee should possess specific technical personal competencies. Education and experience required. The minimum educational and experiential qualification necessary for the job. And lastly, physical requirements of the job. Any physical capabilities or attributes needed for the role, such as lifting, vision, or auditory abilities. How to write a job description properly. Creating a clear, compelling job description is crucial for attracting suitable candidates. To do this effectively, keep in mind the following detailed guidelines. First, use a simple sentence structure. Simplify sentence structure to decrease wordiness, shorten the description, and guarantee clarity and understanding for potential applicants. Second, avoid gender specific language. Avoid using gender specific language like managing or being responsible for to encourage inclusivity and diversity in the workplace. Third, focus on essential activities. Emphasize the primary job duties and exclude minor tasks and occasional responsibilities to give a detailed yet specific summary of the position. Fourth, refrain from employee references. Instead of mentioning individual employees by name, use job titles or departments to uphold professionalism and prevent confusion. And lastly, include only current duties. Describe only the duties currently assigned and remove any tasks that are no longer necessary for the position to accurately represent the responsibilities of the role. Why job description is a human resource issue. Recruitment and selection. HR can effectively target and engage individuals who are the best match for organization. As stated in the YouTube video by two teacher in 2020, effective recruitment and selection procedures require meticulous attention to crafting in-depth job description that provide clear and detailed breakdown of roles, responsibilities, essential qualification, and performance expectations. When these aspects are not clearly outlined, there is a heightened risk of failing to attract candidates with the optimal skills and attributes for the position. Second is performance management. Job descriptions are critical during the recruitment and selection process as they are yardstick for evaluating employee performance. When these descriptions are outdated or fail to reflect responsibilities of the roles accurately, they can result in unfair and biased assessment of employees, affecting their morale and organization's overall effectiveness. Next is dynamic nature. Given the continually shifting landscape of job roles and responsibilities, it is imperative for organizations to diligently review and revise job description to ensure they encapsulate the intricate and evolving nature of duties within organization. This requires a careful examination of how each position can adapt to the changing demands and dynamics of the organization. Next is vagueness. The lack of clear and effective communication, absence of well-defined expectations have led to numerous misunderstanding and confusion about the specific nature and scope of tasks and duties and the associated accountability within individual roles and responsibilities. These will contribute to a lack of recognition of responsibilities impacting motivation and job satisfaction. And lastly, legal compliance. Inaccurate or non-compliant job description can give rise to legal challenges, including discrimination based on race, gender, or age, violations of wage and hours laws, and misclassification of employees as independent contractors. It's crucial to ensure that job descriptions are precise and compliant to avoid legal repercussions.
How will we address the issues? Job analysis is a meticulously structured and thorough process and involves systematic approach to identifying, evaluating, and specifying the particular job duties and requirements. This all-encompassing approach also aims to determine the relative significance of these duties for specific job role within the organization. The HR team embarks on job analysis to gain in-depth insights, which enable them to precisely align the job requirements with the skills and qualification of potential candidates. Through this meticulous process, the organization ensures the selection of individuals who are most suitable for the job, thereby enhancing the overall efficiency and productivity of the workforce by two teachers 2020. Improving employee and manager communication. Creating a detailed plan to communicate any modifications, expansions, or adjustments to job descriptions to employees and managers is essential. This plan should include multiple communication channels, such as team meetings, individuals discussions, and email updates to ensure everyone receives the information. Additionally, the providing specific examples and case studies to illustrate the impact of the changes on different roles within the organization can help employees and managers understand the practical implication. This comprehensive approach to communication will minimize uncertainty and ensure that everyone is fully informed, leading to a smooth transition and fostering alignment and understanding across the organization. Continuous monitoring. Create a highly advanced and detailed monitoring system to supervise the organization's diverse job roles and responsibilities continuously. This intricately crafted system should be able to swiftly and precisely identify any alterations, updates, or modifications, ensuring that all changes in roles and responsibilities are promptly recognized and effectively addressed. This system should be able to provide real-time alerts, track historical changes, and generate comprehensive reports to facilitate informed decision-making and seamless management of roles and responsibilities across the organization. Specificity and clarity. When crafting job descriptions, it is at most importance to meticulously outline and elucidate the specific tasks, duties, and responsibilities associated with the respective role. This granular level of detail is indispensable to guarantee a thorough understanding of the requirements and expectations set for the position. By including comprehensive information about the job responsibilities, Individuals reviewing the job description will clearly and precisely understand what the role entails. This level of specificity also aids in attracting well-suited candidates who are fully aware of the demands and scope of the position. Moreover, detailed job descriptions contribute to setting realistic performance expectation and establishing a solid foundation for employee evaluation. Compliance checks. Regular and thorough reviews of job descriptions are essential to ensure compliance with extensive labor laws and regulation. This includes laws related to non-discrimination, prohibiting any form of bias based on factors such as race, gender, age, or disability. Additionally, these reviews should encompass an understanding of wage and hour laws that covers not only payment of wages but also consider the permissible number of working hours for employees.
What type of approach if writing a job description for a nursing job? If you were writing a job description for a nursing leadership job, which type of approach would you use and why? When drafting a job description for a nursing leadership position, it is essential to adopt a meticulous and methodical approach. Utilizing the engineering approach, the management plans all tasks and responsibilities. This method involves the scientific analysis and systematic breakdown of tasks to ensure efficient performance and heightened productivity. By embracing this approach, the organization can achieve enhanced output, reduce costs, and minimize physical and mental fatigue among its employees. In practical terms, the scientific method aims to identify the most effective means of task execution through comprehensive time and motion studies, pinpointing efficient actions for employees. Moreover, establishing payment systems designed to exceptional performance is crucial for motivating staff to excel.
Job description for nursing leadership role. Position: nurse manager, supervisor, nursing service director, place, hospital or clinic name, and description of job. The manager of nursing is an essential member of the nursing leadership team. They supervise the daily activities of a specific unit or department within the hospital or clinic. The manager of nursing provides strategic guidance, direction, and support to ensure the provision of high quality patient care, development, and efficient utilization of resources. Primary duties. First, clinical operation. Supervise the provision of patient care services on the assigned unit or department, ensuring adherence to hospital or clinic's policies, standards, and regulatory requirements. Create and execute evidence based practice, guidelines, and protocols to enhance patient outcomes and care quality. Coordinate with other departments to guarantee smooth transition of care and effective communication. Second is staff management. Recruit, select, train, and appraise nursing staff, including orienting new employees and conducting performance assessments. Develop and execute staffing plans to ensure adequate coverage and adequate staff resources to fulfill patient care requirements. Cultivate a positive work environment, encouraging teamwork, communication, and staff empowerment. And the third is quality improvement. Collaborative Collaborate with the quality improvement team to identify areas for enhancement and devise strategies to boost patient outcomes, minimize complication, and reduce readmission. Monitor and report on quality metrics such as patient satisfaction, HCA, HPS scores, and core measures. Fourth is budgeting and resource management. Develop and oversee the budget for the assigned unit for the department, ensuring effective allocation of resources to meet patient care needs, identify opportunities for cost savings and efficiencies while maintaining high quality care standards. The fifth is communication and collaboration. Act as a link between nursing staff, physicians, other departments, and hospital clinic administration. Collaborate with interdisciplinary teams to create and implement patient centered care plans. The last one is professional development. Provide monitoring and coaching to nursing staff to improve their skills and knowledge, and stay updated with industry trends, research, and best practice in nursing leadership and patient care. Prerequisites. First, education, master's degree in nursing or related field, MSN or BSN with some substantial leadership experience. Second is licensure, current RN license in the state where the hospital or clinic is situated. And third is experience, at least 5 years of nursing experience, including 2 to 3 years of leadership experience. Example is charge nurse and assistant nurse manager. Fourth is certification, Advanced Cardiovascular Life Support or ACLS certification, American Heart Association, certification in BLS, and other certifications like CNOR and CCRN may be preferred.
The manager of nursing plays a critical role in ensuring the delivery of high quality patient care while fostering a positive work atmosphere for staff. This role necessitates strong clinical expertise, effective communication skills, and leadership capabilities. The specifications outlined above reflect the essential competencies required for success in this position. Clinical operations. A solid foundation in nursing practice allows the manager of nursing to effectively oversee daily operations. Staff management. Effective recruitment, selection, training, and evaluation processes ensure that the staff are equipped to deliver excellent care. Quality improvement. The ability to analyze data and develop strategies for quality enhancement is crucial for optimizing patient outcomes. Budgeting and resource management. Efficiently managing resources is crucial for maintaining high quality care while adhering to budget constraints. Communication and collaboration. Strong communication skills enable the manager of nursing to collaborate with diverse stakeholders and promote a positive work environment. Professional development. Offering mentorship and coaching opportunities foster growth and development among nursing staff. By hiring a highly qualified manager of nursing with the specified skills and experience, we can ensure that our patients receive exceptional care while our staff are empowered to deliver their best work.
What are the interview questions for finding a right candidate? First, share an experience where you encountered a challenging decision as a nurse and explain how you manage it. This prompt evaluates your ability to make tough decisions in high pressure situations and prioritize patient care, which is crucial for nurse manager role. Secondly, how do you prioritize your time and delegate tasks to ensure efficient use of resources? This question assess your time management and delegation skills, which are essential for effectively handling multiple responsibilities as a nurse manager. Third, what are the strategies do you implement to create a positive work environment and encourage staff engagement? This query aims to gauge your understanding of staff morale and engagement, vital for fostering a positive work environment as a nurse manager. Fourth, how do you address conflicts between staff members or between staff and other departments? This question evaluates your conflict resolution abilities and your approach to maintaining professionalism and listening to differing perspectives, crucial for handling conflicts as a nurse manager. Fifth, describe a quality improvement project you led or contributed to end and its impact on patient outcomes. This question aims to assess your experience with quality improvement initiatives and your capacity for identifying and addressing areas needing improvement, an important aspect of a nurse manager's role. 6. How do you keep up with industry trends, research, and best practices in nursing leadership and patient care? This question evaluates your commitment to continuous learning and staying updated with industry advancements essential for a nurse manager, ada- adaptability, and a changing healthcare landscape. 7. Share a situation where you had to communicate complex information to a patient or family member and how you approached it. This query assesses your communication skills, adaptability to different communication styles, and sensitivity to patients' and families' needs as a nurse manager. 8. How do you handle underperformance or performance issues among staff members, and what strategies do you use to support staff development? This question evaluates your approach to addressing underperformance, providing constructive feedback, and supporting staff development. It is essential for maintaining also a high performing team as a nurse manager. 9. Describe your experience with budgeting and resource allocation and your strategies for prioritizing resources with limited budgets. This question assesses your understanding of budgeting principles and your ability to manage resources effectively within budget constraints as a nurse manager. Last, why do you aspire to be a nurse manager and what skills or experience makes you a suitable candidate for this role? This question allows you to express your motivations for seeking a leadership role, showcase your relevant skills and experience, and demonstrate your understanding of and fit for the nurse manager position. In summary, for various reasons, highly detailed and comprehensive job descriptions for nursing leadership roles are paramount. These encompass the crucial tasks of recruitment and selection and performance management and the imperative need for legal compliance. Clear and thorough job descriptions are a powerful tool for HR personnel to specifically target and attract candidates with the skills and attributes required for these critical roles. Moreover, these descriptions form the cornerstone for evaluating employee performance, ensuring that assessments are conducted fairly and accurately. Regularly updating job descriptions is essential to ensure that they accurately reflect the evolving duties within the organization and maintain alignment with current responsibilities. Ambiguity in job descriptions can lead to misunderstandings and confusion regarding task scope and accountability, which can directly impact job satisfaction and employee recognition. Notably, precise and compliant job descriptions are indispensable for averting potential legal challenges related to discrimination, wage violations, and worker classification. Conducting thorough job analysis and implementing a continuous monitoring system are crucial to guaranteeing the job descriptions consistently align with the requisite skills and qualifications for the role, enhancing the overall recruitment and selection processes. Effective communication of changes to job descriptions through multiple channels is pivotal as it ensures that all stakeholders are well informed about the updates and their implications. Furthermore, detailed job descriptions serve as a magnet for attracting well suited candidates and provide a robust basis for conducting realistic performance evaluations. Regular compliance checks are crucial to ward off potential legal issues and uphold fairness and equity in the workplace. When interviewing candidates for the nursing leadership roles, directing focus questions on decision making abilities, time management, staff morale, conflict resolution, quality improvement, continuous learning, communication skills, and budgeting principles that can substantially aid in identifying the most suitable candidate for these critical positions.